two monks who were walking, and they had to cross a river, go other side. One monk had the approach of accumulation. He used to acquire. Being a monk, he used to acquire. Another monk was a man of renunciation. One was man of accumulation, another man of renunciation. By the time they went to the river, they found the ferryman there, and this man put his hand in his pocket to. You should be the first person to put your hand in the wallet wherever you go. The thought must be there to give. The thought, the readiness. What protects you from that eating sin, Anushka? What protects you from eating sin is the readiness to give. Never hesitate to give. Never ever. So helplessly he put his hand in his pocket, but he found his pockets were empty, because he was not a man of accumulation. Then the other fellow said, now you know that money helps. And he took the money and he gave to that ferryman. And he started giving him a lecture on the importance of acquiring, and denounced him the philosophy of renouncing. Having empty pockets. What's the use? It didn't save you. If I was like you, we would have been devoured by wolves and bitten by snakes. On the other side, there is no village there. Yeah, we are safe. Now you see what money does. To which he said, my dear, no doubt it was the money that saved, but it was not the possession of wealth, but actually it was the dispossession of wealth that saved you and me. The fact that you were ready to renounce or parting with wealth helped you, not the possession of wealth. Subtle. Very subtle meaning. It is not the possession, but it is the dispossession of it that gives you happiness, that gave you life, that gave my life. If you held on to your wealth, it would not have given you a life, it would not have spared your life. A Swami was visited by a young prince. As tradition is, the Swami fell at the feet of the Swami. The prince fell at the feet of the Swami. Out of respect. That's how you have Indian tradition. You fell at his feet. The moment the prince rose, the Swami fell at his feet. He was an elderly man, he was a wise man. The prince was so taken aback. Swami, what are you doing? Why are you falling at my feet? To which the Swami said, why did you fall at my feet? What a question, Swamiji. You are a man of great wisdom. You have renounced everything and you have taken up the higher life. And you're doing so much. You have renounced everything. And for that I am great respect for you. So I don't feel any small, even though I am the king, I don't feel any small falling at your feet. Oh, if you are prostrating to me because on the grade of me renouncing the world, then there's a greater reason why I fell at your feet. I don't understand, Swami. Now, he asked him, is the world greater or the self greater? Manish, is world greater or the truth greater? Truth is greater. I have only renounced the world and have sought the self. But what have you done? You have renounced the self and you are seeking the world. Therefore, you are much greater than me. So there is every reason why I should fall at your feet. And he fell at his feet. And that day he learnt a lesson. The prince learnt a lesson. You got the message? Then he also needs to take up to the path of renunciation. So the Shastras appeal to us. So it is not wrong to conclude renunciation liberates you from the lower. Renunciation is nothing but embarking on the higher. Renunciation is bliss. Renunciation gives you power.